How to secure your Instagram account. If you want to protect your account from intruders or any other person, this video is for you. Make sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see these three lines and click it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then on this interface, we're going to click on Account Center. Then under Account Center, we're going to proceed to click on Password and Security. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. In order for us to protect our account, we're going to first have to change password. So continue to click on Change Password and make sure to select the account that you want to change that particular password with. In this case, I'm going to tap on TechHow-to. Then when you are on this interface, you have to enter your current password. Then continue to enter your new password and retype your new password again. Then continue to make sure this box is toggled on. Log out of other devices. Choose this if someone else use your account. Then make sure to tap on Change Password. After that, this means anyone who have access to your account will be automatically logged off. After that, continue to navigate back until you locate this interface. Then continue to tap on two-factor authentication. Then with this selected, you're gonna enable your two-factor authentication, which is very important for you in order to protect your account. So you're gonna allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to select the account that you want to activate the two-factor authentication. In this case, we're going to select TechHow-to. So this will take a bit of moment to finish loading depending on your network speed. So be patient or allow it to finish loading. So you have two options, whether you're going to go with the recommended option, which is Meta will recommend an app for you to download. If you don't have one, it will generate a code you will enter when you logged in. Or you can choose to toggle on this, which an SMS or WhatsApp message, it will be sent to your mobile anytime you want to log in into your account. So in this case, let's go with the authentication app. So when you tap on next and follow the subsequent procedure, you will be able to enable your two-factor authentication. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.